Oh my goodness, what's going on? Why is the water moving? Now what is all of this? Oh God! Run! You don't care about me! I can't get out from here! Come on! Faster! Faster! Get in the car! Come! Hurry up!
Hold on tight!
Get inside! Don't wait for him! Come on! Are you ready to drive? Honey!
Don't go!
Let's go now! Quick!
No!
Let him go! Let him go! Come on! Come on, let him go! Come on, drive! Drive, drive!
Please note, there is an unidentified object approaching ahead. Please change course. There is an unidentified object approaching ahead. Please change course.
Nonsense.
Master? That's a quite chick lick on you.
Jindong, why are you messing around with them two?
Master, you are retiring at the end of the trip. This is also your last birthday on board. Then the guy won't make you happy, isn't it right?
Yes!
Captain, I have to tell you something. What's going on? How did this happen? Huh?
It's all because of these rascals. They are working together to screw me.
I'll go and get some more paper.
Captain, our slogan is one boat, one heart. So of course we all have to work together.
Together? I think you are all in it together to get
Hey,
at me.
Dad. We won't have a chance to celebrate your birthday on the boat either. Just relax and unwind tonight. Let's have some fun, Dad.
Yeah, that's right. Make it tonight. Have fun, guys.
No, I won't. A cake that good? You've ruined it all. How can I make a wish?
Master, we have a chef, don't we? Chef,
Yes?
can you fix it?
Oh, yes, definitely. Just 1 minute. I have a surprise for all of you.
Look at the faces of you people. You are not here for my birthday, rather for my funeral.
Hey, now stop laughing. Go and wash your face. It's birthday celebration. Huh?
Okay.
Come on, come on. The food is ready.
Captain, please see. Talented, right? This is chef special for you. Turtle is 10,000 years old. May you live a long life.
Why do I feel like it's making the captain a fool?
Do you think like that? Then what am I?
Chef, the little son of a bitch. Where is gone?
Slipped away. He's afraid of you. And hiding.
Come on, Master. Let's make a wish. Ready?
I hope the trip goes smoothly for everyone. Peace and safety.
Come, Master.
Hey, come,
Happy
come,
birthday. Come on, come on, come on.
Happy birthday, Dad.
Happy birthday.
Come on, let's make a video.
Hey, master, come.
Okay, okay.
Call out our slogans.
One boat, one heart.
One boat, one heart.
I'll send you the video.
Seeing you all so
Put it on your
well.
status.
Sure, sure.
And I can retire in peace.
Master. You are not afraid of our brothers and sisters? Sell the boat and share the money.
Are you the only smart one? I've been at sea most of my life. That's enough. It's time to enjoy the peace.
Correct, Dad. You just listen to me. Go around with Mom and just have a good time. Okay? Don't worry about the boat. I will take care of everything, Dad. Okay?
Boyang is my son. But on responsibility and ability, I still think Jindong would be a good captain. You'll have to nice with him. Jindong, I know what you're thinking. Please don't get psyched. Lead the way and do it well.
Required. We support the new captain in his work. Right? Right?
Yes, yes. Right, right. You're right.
Yes?
Captain, but Boyong is your son.
He's too impulsive to be a captain.
Master, don't be ridiculous to speak of ability and competence. I'm really much worse than Boyang. This thing, it still has to come from Boyo.
Let it be.
I don't need your charity.
Hey, what are you doing?
Stupid.
Master, nothing. Boyang messing with me.
How dare you!
Stop it!
Hey, Jindong!
Stop it now! Let him go off!
Please. Who are we helping? That's not a good question. If you're on the wrong side, we'll be in trouble.
Not considered.
Go ahead. I'll see how long you go on.
Zhao Long, you go hide in the cockpit first, and I'll see what happens here. Okay. Hey, hey, Zhao Long. Go have some fun. Go, go.
I don't want to take your position.
Let's eat. Brother!
Is that you? Is something wrong?
What's happening to him? What's that smell? It's so sour. What's this now? Brother! Xiaolong! Xiaolong! Xiaolong, is that you? What's wrong with
Get out! Come on!
What happened?
This way! Hide here.
Okay,
I'll go.
Hey, Jindong.
Xiaolong! Xiaolong! Why have you changed like this?
Min? So Min,
Yeah.
you are ship's doctor. You go and check him if he is suffering from some disease.
Okay. Just give me a second. Jalong, help me to hold him down.
Xiaolong, don't move, don't move.
It's a parasite. These parasites have a powerful ability to reproduce. Once they enter in our body, they can produce thousands of eggs. They not only dominate the human brain, they can also mutate genes.
And how can it be cured?
I can suppress the parasite by genetic modification, but I have never tested it on humans.
How do you get this thing?
Before I came here as a ship doctor, I was a biological
Why are
researcher.
you taking a
I was
picture?
once in.
I'll choke you to death. You like taking pictures so much?
Hey, what's
I'll
wrong?
kill you.
Leave!
Let go. Let go.
Leave her.
I'll choke you to death.
What you doing?
Let go.
Leave him off.
Let
Stop
go.
messing around.
Come inside. Are you okay, dear? Are you okay? Xiaolong is out. Careful.
Master, you go first. I'll hold him off. Go. Go. Go.
Come with me.
Jinnok, be careful! Don't hurt my brother! Dad, come on! Jinnok will handle him!
Good. Jindong, be careful.
Jindong, you alright?
It's all right.
Shao Dongwei, find a port for our ship.
Yes.
Stop!
Captain, there are pirates!
Stop! Go over there! Stand there. Be honest, okay?
Who is the captain?
Who?
Who is the captain?
Say it.
No, Dad. I am.
Take us to the cargo hold. What's inside? Say! Hurry up!
Wait! Someone with an infectious disease has been isolated.
Go in! Hurry up!
What are you looking at? Look down!
What's here? Don't move. Quick, leave me.
Dong, why are you out? What's going on? Here, settled.
Are you alright? What's going on there?
I'm fine. They let Zia Long out.
Huh? Zhalong?
Put the gun down!
What are you talking about? See, we have hostages here.
You are the one to let them go. Boyang.
You know what to do, right?
Hey!
Dalong! I'll say it one last time. Put the gun down!
The cook!
Cook! Put the gun down.
I can't leave you behind, brother.
Shut up! If you keep shouting, I'll kill you!
Come on. Hurry up.
Move ahead! Hurry up!
Go.
Two-headed shark! What the hell?
Quickly.
Move it!
Go.
Dalong! Stop there!
Dalong!
Welcome to the island of Gigitar. Take them away!
You go over there. Go. Quickly.
Hurry! Behave yourselves!
Just look at me. Look at my weapon. What those guys? What they are doing here? You are doing a good fight.
Brother,
Where are these guys from?
I don't know. I can't understand them.
Why are you the only one? You tell me.
We met a sea monster.
That is cool. We kill it tonight.
Brother,
Ah. Ah.
Susan!
Don't move.
Where is this?
At hell, where else? They are using us as bait to attract sea monsters. Don't look over there. There's no escape. Let's just pray that it doesn't come.
It will come for sure. It's very sensitive to light. Look how many torches are pointed us.
How do you know it?
It's a mutant monster created by nuclear waste. Every spring it needs human bodies to host its eggs. The first time it appeared was 3 years ago on Riha Island. 3 years ago. Me and my husband went there for wedding photos. It appeared suddenly. My husband tried to save me. I'm investigating from last few years. I also left my hospital job to come here. I realized this time we are going towards Riha Island. Initially, I tried to change the route, but I'm well prepared now. I can definitely kill it.
So it's you causing damage to everyone. You?
Boyang, no! Boyang, calm down. Listen to mine.
Yes, Boyang is right. I'm responsible for this, and now I don't know how to come out of this. But do you know something? Do you know? Do you know how many people it killed it on Riha? Do you know? Boyang, I don't have a home anymore. And I don't want people lose their families. So I must kill it.
So you let us accompany you to your death? Are you out of your mind?
Boyang! Things have happened. You can't help it now. Even if you kill her, it's not going to help either.
Hey, Jindong. Do you have crush on her? Tell me!
Don't talk nonsense. We are one boat, one heart.
But the boat is gone!
The boat is in the heart. As long as it is there, the ship will always be there.
I'm your son, Dad. You're defending him at this point? I don't understand how I'm inferior to him!
Sense of responsibility. In times of distress, the sense of responsibility to protect everyone.
I have it too, Dad! Don't I have a sense of responsibility?
Do you remember when the pirates came on board?
Who is the captain?
Not that.
The time when she was captured by pirates. Who was the first to come ahead?
Now stop talking about him! What about Xiaoning now?
It happened because of me. I have to
All
go
stop
there.
arguing. We should figure out how to save Xiaoning together.
Looks like the monster won't be coming.
Anyway, I'm going to catch it. You don't need to worry. I'll do it.
You ugly fellow! Don't touch me! Let go of me!
Idiot!
Little Dongbei! Little Dongbei! Dongbei! You let go of him! Let go of little Dongbei! You let go! Little Dongbei! Dongbei!
I'm going to kill you!
Hurry up. Almost there. Stretch more. Hurry up. Watch out.
Help me! Push! Push! I can't hold it now any longer! You guys run away! Hurry up! Don't stay here, run!
Come on, hurry up!
Lady shouting!
Keep drinking.
Shouting! Are you okay, shouting?
Little Dongbae, what are you doing there?
I'm okay. I'll
Get
be
out of
right
here.
there. You get out of here, guys. Buddy, I'm drunk. Why am I so ugly?
Hurry up and come.
How can I be so ugly? No! Tell me.
Shouting! Get out of here!
Let's get out from here. We need to find a safe place. Hurry, hurry up.
Please take me with you. I know a place that is safer.
Everybody be careful.
Watch out.
Which place is this? Watch out. Hurry up. Quickly. Go.
Right here.
Come. Get in there.
Watch out.
Hurry up. There's a mark down there. Be careful.
Yeah. Keep up.
Hurry up. Come.
Hey, Dad!
Don't come over.
Oh, got it.
Master. Let's go.
Better we should wait for daylight. It's too dangerous now.
Little Dongbi. This is your home now.
I'm getting old. It's my fault. I couldn't protect you.
I'm sorry. I'm really sorry. Thank you.
Brother, let's go.
What about Lady Pirate?
She saved us, but we will split with her when we get out of here.
Get in the jeep.
Cannibal beetle. Once it enters the human body, it will crawl in the human body until it bites to death. I want to pee.
You guys go first. I'll hold him off. Listen, Master. Go! Go! Let's go!
Brothers, I will avenge you!
Go and hide somewhere.
Watch out! Let's get out from here.
Just hold on tight. I wish I
Master! Leave him!
Dad! Dad!
Master!
Captain!
Master!
Captain! Captain! Captain!
Master!
Always remember, we're family. One boat, one heart.
Master!
Dad!
Master!
You can't leave us.
What's that sound?
It's the sea monster. Thank you for saving me. We have a lifeboat on the beach.
You all can go.
Minor! Minor! You listen to me. You go alone now. You won't kill it!
Then I should better die.
Minor! You go alone is to die for nothing. Do you think you are doing right? For the people who died!
All are dying because of me! Because of me!
Quick!
Boya, you listen to me. It should have belonged to you.
Jingdong! Are you crazy?
What are you doing?
Jingdong!
In order to keep more people from getting hurt, something.
Come back!
It's always someone who has to do it.
Hey, Jingdong. My dad was right. This hat belongs to you.
Next time, if you do anything like this, I won't let you go lightly.
Don't forget our slogan is one boat, one heart. I know it's impossible to ask for your forgiveness. After killing the sea monster, I will pay with death.
It seems you are trying to go to your death with me.
We still have a chance. I'm working over the years on mutant organisms. They are only caused by nuclear waste. It took a lot of effort to defeat its every part. Finally, drug is developed to attack those genetically mutated organisms. We just need to inject their bodies. It will bring them back to normal.
Where's the medicine? Now we need it.
It was on me, but I lost it when I went ashore.
We'll go and find it.
It's the sea monster.
So, let's take it easy. Let's all split up. You guys go. I'll take care of it.
I'll go with you.
I'll come along. It's familiar to me.
Okay.
This way. Boya, you take Zioning to find the medicine. Okay. Go. Come.
Be careful.
Take it. Go.
Go.
We should do it more faster.
The fire is bigger. The faster the sea monsters come.
It's coming. Let's go out of here. Go.
Hey, look at that.
Ew, isn't this the wormhole from before? Sorry.
I'm cramping up. What's your problem?
I'm sorry.
It wasn't a big deal, Xiaoning. Now come.
Okay.
We need to go fast. Come on. Go that side and look for it. I found it. The syringe is here. Something.
I can suppress the parasite by genetic modification, but I have never tested it on humans.
Get the medicine ready!
Okay.
Shouting, hurry up! Come on!
It seems to be working. Shalom!
They need our help. Let's go.
You hide first. I'm going to sell it. Go! I'm going to draw him off. You guys go get the syringe. Come.
Here it is.
You go and hide. I'll go and help them. Okay?
Boyan!
Why did you do it?
sorry, everybody. I involved you all.
What are you doing?
Which I should do a long time ago. Monster, come and die with me.
Don't!
It's not dead. It's still moving. Where's the medicine?
I have a surprise for all of you.
Look at the faces of you people. You are not here for my birthday, rather for my funeral.
We support the new captain in his work, right?
Always remember, we're family. One boat, one heart.
You can't leave us.
This hat belongs to you.
Do you know how many people it killed in Tondriha? Do you know? Boyam, I don't have a home anymore. And I don't want people lose their families. So I must kill it.
If the garbage in your head is the weapon that destroys the world, do you still throw it away freely? Of course, my wife is the prettiest.
Jindal! Come on! Hey, Jindal! Hey! I'm in fun, huh? Come on, Jindal! Come on, Jindal! We're waiting for you! Come on!
We often believe that we are protecting the earth by protecting the environment. Actually, we are protecting ourselves. When the nature is destroyed by us, our happiness also vanishes into thin air.